In this video, we're going to take a look at what I consider the neatest type of tab stop in Word 2013, and that's the decimal tab stop. So normally you'll start off with the left tab character here, and then the center tab, and then the right tab. Then you get what looks like a center tab, but there's a little dot there, and that's called a decimal tab. And what a decimal tab is used for is typing in columns of numbers. And if you've ever had to type in columns of numbers on an old typewriter and trying to line them up with the ones columns all lined up and the tens columns all lined up and so on, you know what a pain that was, because all we had on old typewriters was left tab stops. So let's just go out here to about the 3-inch mark, and we'll set a decimal tab. And now hit the tab key, put a tab character in your document, and now I'm going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It doesn't matter how many digits I type, everything gets pushed over to the left. And if I hit enter and tab and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hit enter and tab and 2, 3, 4, and so on, it's working right now. It's working just the same as if it were a right tab, which works out just fine, because it's lining up everything with the ones columns and the tens column and the hundreds column and so on. But here's the cool thing about a decimal tab. Once you hit a decimal point and start typing more digits, they don't get pushed to the left anymore. They go to the right. And everything will get aligned with the decimal point right below that tab stop. So to the left of that vertical line there will be my ones column, and then the tens column and the hundreds column and so on. And to the right of that will be the decimal point, followed by the tenths and the hundreds and the thousands and so on. So anytime you need to line up numbers, if they're whole numbers, you can actually get by just using right tab. But if they have a decimal point in them, you need to use a decimal tab.